Hi guys, my name is Ishan and in this video I am going to tell you how to create a lead magnet for your business. And no matter what your business type is or whatever niche is, this basic 5-step process of building a lead magnet surely gonna work for you. Okay? Plus I am going to share my pro tip with you by the end of this video. So watch till the end. So let's start with what are lead magnets. Well, simply put, an lead magnet are something of value that you bribe to your audience in return of their contact information, that is their email address, their name, or maybe their phone number. So let's now move on to our step to create a lead magnet for you, shall we? So the first step in this process is identifying who is your audience. Without having a good knowledge about your targeted audience, you would not know who your lead magnet is serving to. And loosely targeting lead